today I want to show you a script to find .com domain names. This program is built around this blog post that Derek Sivers created here. Basically, you have this text file. You just want to put in words that you would want in your domain name. Let's say if it's like a coffee business, beans, roast, latte. Maybe I'll try running that, see if we get any good ideas here. These are the domains that have .com domains available. These are kind of cool, like roastjoe.com. So roastjoe.com should be available. So here it is right here. So roastjoe.com is $9.73 per year. So I want to jump back to Derek's blog and kind of show you how this process works. So we're going to be downloading a gigantic text file, which has all the available domain names. We get that text file from this organization called ICANN. So we're going to go to this website. You will have to sign up for this. I've already signed up, so I'm just going to log in. After you've signed up, what you need to do is you need to create a new request. You are looking for the com domains. I've already been approved for the com domains, but you'll have like a unfilled checkbox that you would click. It took them like a day and then they approved it. I've already downloaded the compressed version and I have unzipped it. So word count com.txt, 405 million lines in this file. So next thing we want to do is import this data into a SQL database. So if you check out the file here, this is what the file looks like. What we want to do is get it into basically a list of all of the available domains. We're going to copy this code here from Derek's website. We can just open up an interactive Ruby console and we'll just paste the code snippet here that he has here, and then we'll just run it. It's going to take a little bit of time for this to run. So maybe while this file is being processed, I think it's a good time to smash that like button and hit subscribe. So this bad boy just finished up. So I'm going to exit out of the interactive Ruby console here, and we can see domains.txt is there. Let me show you the first 50 lines of this bad boy. So each line has a domain. So the next thing we're going to do is create a little SQLite database. I'm going to open up SQLite 3. I'm going to create a database called domains.db. We're going to just say create table domains, and then we are going to import that file that we created, domains.txt. And we'll give this a second here. So once that's done, let's create the index, name it dd on domains. I'm going to create a file called corpus.txt. Next thing is let's create the program. What I want to do is I want to say bundle init bundle add SQLite 3. And then so now what I want to do is create my script. Let's call it find domains.ruby. I'm just going to copy this good stuff. There we are. We're set up here. It is using goodwords.txt. So you can change that to corpus.txt. You can see what this algorithm is doing. Here's your list of words that you want to consider. It's loading up the database that we created earlier. It is setting up the query. So it's just going through each word, and then for each word, it goes through the list of words again. And it basically just is creating a combination of both the words in this file. Try to find the domain that equals this word combination here. If it exists, then we will print that out to the console. Let's give it a try. So let's do like a music startup. So like music, tune, artist. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna say Ruby, find domains. So again, these are the domains that are available. So musicbuzz.com is available. Let's just double check that. All right. So it is available. Musicbuzz.com. It is a aftermarket and they are charging a fortune. Rocktune.com. So this one's not available. This is something to keep in mind. This list, when you download it, it's just a text file. So it's not going to like stay up to date as people register domain names. So sometimes you might get false positives. Another thing you can do is if you know you don't want the same word to show up twice, just come into your script here and just say next if word 1 equals word 2. This should take care of that problem. So now you can see we don't get the duplicates there. Let's say you had a really unique word in here, something where it's possible the domain might exist just for that word, and maybe you don't want to get the combinations. So what you could do in your domains file is here. So you say like combo equals word 1 dot downcase rows equals query dot execute combo, and we'll put combo unless rows.next. And so now if there's a unique word, you can get the single word instead of the combo. Let me try just something that I know wouldn't be taken. X, Y, F, PPINNAB. It's probably there, so let's try that. Now you can see just the single word of the gibberish random string that I knew wouldn't be taken. That's kind of the gist of this script. It's kind of a cool way to get the wheels turning and think of some cool domains. If you liked the video, make sure to smash that like button and press subscribe. Hope you enjoyed it.